Are you ready?
Yeah.
My thing started real quick. Why did it cut off? Yeah, I'm getting better. I'm getting on the second pull to the fifth. Alright. There's a bit on the road real quick. Alright. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, you stir tired. Bruh, I'm not wrecked here. I like slammed on. So, I guess we'll ride down here, then we'll go up to your place and ride from here.
Show me the new trail.
Alright. This camera's dead. I got to put my batteries in it. And there's a tree down. Hold on. It's right on the side of this hill right here, so it's kind of hard. Be careful of this root. This root would take you out. I beat you to pieces. That's crazy truck. Rough truck. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, it's a little. So, we'll go down here and check on the potatoes, alright? Chain popped off, hold up. Did the chain come off? Alright, hold on. It come off again?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I brought the tools, so.
Oh, good. Good. I'm about to say you can prepare this time. We. Yeah. Like my worm farm.
Where's your worm? The rock?
Yep, the rock. Try to see if I can get any worms. Worms are getting crazy expensive, you know. Good. Eat them any way you can. I may bring a rotten piece of wood over here, put it down. Careful flipping these things over. You flip it over, there'll be a snake sitting out of there.
We killed a copperhead the other day.
When? Oh. Where? I meant where? Huh? In our shed? In the shed? I think I had better luck bringing a dead piece of wood over here, a rotten piece of wood.
Yeah. Just look up like foods that worms like and stuff like that, and you can just attract them.
I know what they like. Rotten wood. So. Have you worked on your trail at all any this week?
No.
No.
I just been studying for the permit test, getting the permit. I went over to a buddy's farm, then we went to his lake.
Pop Wheelie?
On a car?
Yeah. I see people get 2-3 feet up in the air when they evade the police. They pop wheelies in. Hit that button, whoa!
The first road that I drove on was a 55.
Interstate 55?
No, like a 55-mile-an-hour road.
Oh.
So the first time driving, that was pretty scary.
I mean. Oh, that's cracked.
What, your phone?
That little box right there. Oh, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Let's see, what does it say? Something air cleaner. What happens if your air cleaner is cracked? I think it is.
I don't know.
I gotta Google that. I gotta Google that. Bro, my chain will never come off.
You say that, and then now it's gonna. It's
Yeah.
literally come off. It came
Yeah.
off in my yard, and we were out there until after dark fixing it.
It's like 10 o'clock at night. There's a stick right
There we go.
there. Is it on? You see that's what we push the engine forward.
I did.
See, the chain coming off was not my fault. It was the four-wheeler's fault. I mean, the main
Drove
bike's
over a stick. Shit was the four-wheeler's fault.
I meant the main bike's fault. I was thinking on the full. I need to get a new battery for the four-wheeler.
Yeah.
I got to tie my shoes. Probably the 5th time tying my shoe this week.
A week is 7 days, and this is the 5th time I use shoe.
Yeah, I don't really keep it doing now, so I ain't got to tie my shoe. Oh, God.
Nice.
I'm about rolled back. Remember that time I wrecked right here where it was all ready and muddy?
Yeah.
That was bad. That's when I first got the mini bike.
Yeah.
I believe I can fall.
Wait, you're done with school now, right?
Yeah, I might go back to school next year.
What grade are you going into?
8th. What grade you in?
I'm going into 10th.
Really?
Sophomore, yeah. Hey, 2 more years now, I gotta go to school no more.
Shut up.
You
Yeah.
literally got 4 years left. I got 2. When I graduate,
You're 2 years older than me.
when I graduate, you're gonna be my age. You're gonna be how old I am right now when I graduate.
How old are you? 15? I got 20 years.
So I'm gonna graduate at 17. I know people that are way older than that, and they're seniors.
I know.
I know like 18, 19.
Bro, Everything made out of plastic these days. Half the engine made out of
Why is
plastic.
oil coming out?
Let me see. Where?
Of this stupid screw.
You may have unscrewed the oil plug.
No, that's below it.
Well, you're cooked if you do.
Yeah, I've done that before.
How many cylinders is yours? Oh, how many cycle is yours? 4 cycle?
I don't know. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea.
Bro, I remember I went to check the oil.
Literally a weed eater motor.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's a lot bigger than a wheel eater motor.
This is an adult weed eater mower.
Don't be. You call my weed eater a baby weed eater mower?
Yes, I am.
I wonder how this stick tastes. How about you taste it out for me? Bro, we got a humongous buck back here. I about hit one the other day. I got it on video.
Really? You just need to post a short. Boy hits.
Boy hits deer.
Boy hits deer.
Go like 25 miles an hour down this trail. Bro, I kid you not. I was driving down this trail right here and I got it on video. Two deer run up the trail. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to the corn pile back here, see if I can see them, because they're probably down there. Picking at them potatoes. So I get on there and I was sitting for about a minute or two. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna come back up since nothing's here. I come back up and there's literally a humongous buck ran right in front of me.
This thing literally melted.
What?
What holds the cover on completely melted. Almost. Where?
If you lose those screws, you're dead. Yeah, was that hot?
What do you think?
No, it's ice cold.
It is. It's freezing.
Well, I'll just blow on it.
Hold it.
Acid is about as cold as it would get.
Well, you put it in the other hand.
I'll put this. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of those, put them in a water bottle. So, I've never had to replace my battery in this thing ever.
I don't even have a battery.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
How will it start then? Oh, yeah, you don't have a battery because you don't have a light.
Nope. What was that?
I got-
There's a pond on the other side of the railroad tracks.
No. I know there is.
You do?
I think that's the James River train. No, it's not. No,
not.
it's not. We don't even live on the James River. Oh, I have a natural
If I
bridge.
lived on the James River, I'd be over there all the time.
Fishing. So, you know, I don't know, that guy like 5 times a day. He leaves at like 10 o'clock in the morning. No, he leaves at like 1 o'clock in the morning. And comes back at like,
So you just like stalk everybody?
no.
You're definitely the type of guy that gets suspicious when you see someone come in here that you've never seen before. You follow them, you're like, what are you doing here in my neighborhood?
I've done that before.
I bet you have.
I just not do it if I get shot up.
Stalking people on your mini bike. Oh, this is all I be gone when I feel like.
What?
After I'm working at Dunkin' Donuts.
Are you really gonna work at Dunkin' Donuts?
I don't know, maybe.
I need to make fast cash, bro. I need to make some quick money.
Why?
I want to say
Rizzler?
the Rizzler. The Rizzler. It goes 50 miles an hour. I'll be scooting down there. Whoa. There was a guy that up at the campground we went to had one. Thing's sick. He broke his arm on that. He broke his arm and broke 2 fingers.
Did he really?
Yes.
How do you know that?
Because he had a cast on. He had 2 braces on his fingers. Taped together.
And he was still riding?
And he was still right.
That would be me.
He said he popped the wheelie and he fell. When he popped the wheelie, he fell. No, bro. Bro, I about got bait. I about got copyrighted off that one video.
Excuse me. It's a dog. thing.
I know it is.
You live in a. I gotta inspect something's in my neighborhood.
Oh God, you know, be really cool. Yeah, what are you doing tomorrow?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Tomorrow's Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
And then nothing.
But bro, do you wanna sit out here tonight and watch some deer come out up here?
I guess. I mean, if I'm not doing nothing else.
I have a ghillie suit. That's my papa's house.
Dude, I literally drove past them and they did not even blink an eye. I don't
Who?
think they care that much either.
Who?
The deer.
No, they're just really inconspicuous and stuff. I don't even know what that word
Dude, they were
means.
surrounding a rabbit. I'm not even kidding. Like, there was a rabbit in the middle of them, and two of them ran across the road when I pulled up.
Bro.
And the rabbit was just there, like.
Speaking of rabbit, bro, there was a humongous rabbit back here behind
Yeah, I
the
keep seeing them at the house too.
Oh my God, bro, he was a good size eating one.
Yeah, there's some thick ones up there at the greenhouse.
Thick one's greenhouse. Bro, he was a thick one too, bro. He'd be good eating. You come out here and pal him. Unalive. Alright, look. Watch. First pull. Second pull.
Doesn't count as calling.
What? What?
Doesn't count as calling when you're just counting. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, we're gonna ride back here behind down the tree. Waiting on me. What? Too bad. Alright, you go first in case the thing explodes. We're like a clown on a bicycle. I think he's gonna buy a dirt bike. Ripping trails like this. Yo! Ow, crap. What? Hold up. I about dropped it. Huh. What?
You go first.
What? This camera hasn't been checked in like a week.
What?
This camera hasn't been checked in a week. I gotta check it real quick. Look, look, look. Oh. That's from that storm we done had down here. Yeah, check this camera real quick. Make sure the battery ain't dead in it. It wasn't even on. Well, yep. Yes, it wasn't even in it. It was up at the house. probably knocked his chain off. I don't know what's wrong with it then.
Dude, what happened to the creek?
Dried up.
I wonder if mine's dried up. Because my part is like twice the size. Dude, there's a bunch of animals in mine.
Really?
Yeah, dude, there's tons of minnows and everything.
Mm.
Has the creek ever
And maybe you call Minnow Creek then.
Has the creek ever dried up before?
This is the first year it's done, I think.
I know, we're in a crazy drought. We're in a 10-month-long drought. Dude, I can't believe... Dude,
We're like 2 inches behind on rain, I think. We're like crazy behind on rain.
No, we're way more than 2 inches.
Yeah, we're like over 3 feet behind on rain.
We need to ride up to my house down the trail and see if my creek's still there.
That's what I was thinking. Bro, these deer are so ungrateful, bro.
Where's the potatoes?
Right here. They look like rocks.
Well, hopefully an animal at least... Where's all the corn's gone?
Yeah, the potatoes are still sitting there.
So, I mean, you caught something on the trail camera you could put on the...
No, this camera's not even on. I forgot the SD card that I have.
Wow. You just sold a whole video.
I sold the whole video. I bet I hit that big buck we got back here. That's humongous. He's huge.
You, Georges?
Yep. Alright, I guess I'll get back to y'all when I fixed the junk mini bike. Alright, we just got his junk mini bike fixed. Let's see if he can start it without. Watch, I'm gonna get first pull too, baby. First! I'm about to throw this thing in the creek. First pull! Go to your house? Alright. Alright, we're gonna head down and get out and drive the trails real quick. See, cause the creek down here is dried up. The creek I hit the house is dried up too. I'm sure it may be. I don't know yet. I heard it. Holy crap, are you okay? Are you sure?
Yeah, look at the...
I thought you were dead. Oh my gosh, bro. I was like, is he gonna stop?
We're good.
Bro, I seen you come out like, are you gonna stop or are you just gonna keep going around me? Alright, you go first. We're going to the new trail we made. Bye guys, found this picture of poison ivy back here, and this poison ivy right there. Bro, you done pulled the whole tree out. No, I can go over it. I ain't that crazy, bro. Off the top of the tire. Yo! What? Put it back? This trail's so bumpy right now, bro. I hate this right here. It's so tight, bro. You need to be. Oh, I'm too big for it. Come on here, Paris. You get to step some of the stuff like you would. Bro, you gotta get some stuff up there. I just know the gas going off of this thing. Oh! Hold up! Whoa, 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 whoa! Hold on, turn yours off real quick. We're gonna attempt to move this junk. That's a big tree. I knew. Where'd it come from?
Where'd the trees come from?
I want to smack you so hard right now, bro. I got this, bro. I can move this, bro. I am John Cena. Move. You know what? Maybe I can't move it.
You can't move it?
No, I can't. It's too heavy. I got an axe I can bring down here. Here, hold on. Here, let me see it. I got it. Come here. Alright, we have to fix that later, bro. Don't move the whole thing. Let's do some of it.
Don't put it over there.
You're not. Just leave it right there. Where did it come from? It came from, which way did it fall from?
This one.
How'd you know? Oh yeah, I could just, you can tell. Let me. First pull, let's go. the creek is not dried up, but it is almost.
Usually it's way faster flowing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't fall.
check this out.
Yeah. Show her the camera. Yeah.
He's hissing at you.
No, it's not.
Yes, he is.
You can't see me. I'm gonna throw him in the lake.
Don't you throw my turtle. Alright, let me see.
Boxer, it looks like. Let me see. Little Jimmy. What's his name? Raphael.
Where are you trying to go, bro?
Just put him right there. He'll fall. He'll find a way.
I don't want to move him far away because he's doing it over again.
Huh.
Maybe he's getting a drink of water.
Well, put him back where he found her, bro.
All these minnows are still alive.
Put him back right here.
That's not where he was.
Where was he?
He was leaning with his face in the water. Could have been drowning. Alright, just leave him there.
I just let back. Bro, he fell into the bro. I fell in the creek and cooked. We should come through here. Come to me, box.
What the heck is this?
That's a no. You know what that is?
No, like hold
No,
on.
I know what that is. So, like, I think it looks like one of those things. You
Looks
know,
like a
like,
meat hook.
no, it's not. No, it look. So, I think my dad had one of these when he worked at Quickway to pull milk crates out the truck. Like, he'll go reach up in there, grab it, and just pull it out the truck.
Dude, I watched Texas Chainsaw Massacre yesterday. This is literally in the movie.
You serious?
I swear to you, this looks like something that's in the movie.
Wow. There he is, right there.
Bro, there's somebody with a chainsaw.
I know it.
What is this? How did it get here?
Let me see it. You can use that.
It's mine. My treasure.
That's exactly what it is. All right, guys. Can y'all tell us what this is in the comment, bro? Because this looks so freaking weird. I thought it was...
Hold up.
It's bent.
Yellow.
So, guys, tell us in the comments what y'all think this is.
Alright.
Because I think it's a milk puller for milk. Like, reach up in the truck, pull milk out.
What time is it? Oh, yeah, do I come
So-
over now?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I didn't see it. Alright, I'm on my way up.
What happened?
I'm going driving.
Where?
To get my sister.
Can I come, bro? I'm just kidding. No, I don't trust you driving, bro.
My friend said
Huh?
all the minutes are still in. Alright, give me my rebar.
You really ball.
Take me some.
Yeah, let's go get some bamboo.
No, man, I gotta go. I need to get hours so I can get my real license.
Really?
Yeah.
How many hours do you have to have?
45.
Why don't you just sit in the car with it running?
You have to actively be driving.
Well, I mean, why don't you just drive up and down the driveway?
Because it's stupid. It's not fun. Would you ride this up and down the driveway? No, you wouldn't. And I'm about to go way faster than you. I'm about to go 55 miles an hour.
Sure.
I am.
You can go down 501?
I don't know. Probably not. Probably go Mayflower. We just leaked our address to everyone.
But we don't live on Mayflower.
No, we don't.
We live close to it.
Alright, we gotta get out.
Skedaddle. Watch. I got a first pull back there. First pull. Let's go, bro. Bro, I don't even run over, bro. Watch me take this jump on here, bro. Watch. I'm about to take... You gotta watch. Watch. Oh. I tried to jump it. I got a little bit of air time, but I didn't get much. That way. Yo, Ethan! We can't get out that way! We gotta go the way we came, out that way! Unless he moves it. Maybe he's going around. Alright. Yeah, back down the hill. Oh, again?
Yeah, but I'm leaving.
Alright. I gotta get you out the bushes real quick. Alright, hold on. Let me get it on a flat surface real quick. I know. Hold on. I gotta. Alright. I guess I'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah, hold on.
Alright. Let me get this on flat ground real quick so I can start it up. Yeah. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I guess we'll be out here after Hooligan gets back. We'll go around some more, but I guess we'll work on the trail when we get back too, you know?
Yeah.
Come down here and work on the snips and stuff out the way. So, alright, guys. I'll see you in the next video.